This is probably going to trigger you if you're a high income earner, but what if I told you that the biggest tax mistake you're making isn't what you're doing, it's who you're trusting? And no, I'm not talking about a bad CPA. Because here's the thing, you probably have a good CPA. As a high earner, you're doing everything right. You're taking your deductions, you're filing on time, but you're still writing massive checks to the IRS every single year. And the worst part is you're left wondering, am I missing something or is this just the cost of success? Here's the truth that most people never hear. Most high income families overpay taxes because their CPA is reactive and not strategic. They file, they report, they categorize, but they don't help you architect a tax strategy. And when you're making $300, $400, $500,000 a year or more, basic tax moves barely move the needle. But what most people do is things like maxing out their 401ks, they'll buy a vehicle and write it off, prepay some expenses for the next year, maybe watch a few YouTube videos, and then when nothing really changes, they just assume, it's just how it is. But that assumption is costing you 5 to 6 figures in wealth every year because you're paying so much taxes. My name is Stefan Bellholm. I'm a certified tax specialist, and I work with a team of forensic CPAs, tax attorneys, and other strategists. And for years, what we've done is help high income families like yours all across the country reclaim money back from the IRS that they overpaid. We show them how to reduce what they owe today. And most importantly, we show them how to never get blindsided by tax season again. And this isn't about loopholes or gray areas. This is about clarity, complying with the tax law, but also having tax control, which unfortunately most high earners don't have. Here's the 3-step framework that we use to help high earners be more tax efficient. First, we identify where the money is leaking. Is it from your income types, your entity structure, deductions, missing out tax credits, retirement, legacy planning? We don't want any guessing. Second, we match strategies to your income because business owners, investors, W-2 earners with bonuses, they all have different income types. And this is not one size fits all advice. Third, we sequence everything correctly because the wrong order can actually cost you money. And this is how tax efficiency becomes predictable no matter how much income you make every year. If you want to see exactly how this will work for you, just drop a comment and I'll send you a link to a private training where I go over step by step how we use the strategy framework to help high income families like yours uncover these missed tax opportunities. You'll be able to get your questions answered live and you'll be able to see where you're overpaying taxes and fix things before the IRS gets another unnecessary dollar from you. So drop a comment, learn more about our framework, and take control of your tax strategy.